Is your beard going gray and you're young, like in your 30s? Well, let's break down why this is happening, and maybe if you stay till the end, I'll show you a great way for a solution. What's up, everyone? My name is Scott Barnes, and yes, I am at the culprit of time, and my beard is going gray faster than I want. And I think about 3 years ago, I sneezed, and all of a sudden, I've gotten to the salt and pepper. Now, I want to give you 4 reasons why your beard is going gray and how you can prevent this from happening to you. Now, these 4 things are imperative for you to have this preventative measure for your beard going gray. So the first one on the list is going to be sleep. Now, this is just bare bones, the minimum of life and how it should be. You gotta get about 6 to 8 hours of sleep, because what happens is if we start reducing that amount, we go full throttle into the adrenaline mode as we wake up and we have that lack of sleep, cortisol is gonna come in, and that acts as a inducer for your beard and your body to actually go into fight or flight mode, and is going to increase your beard's pigment to actually go gray, because it is a lot of stress on your body. And that's gonna lead us into number 2, and that is stress. Now, I know we have a crazy, wild world that we live in, that we are going nonstop when it comes to waking up, checking our social media, checking your email, going into work, driving to work, having the kids, going to restaurant, there's so many things that we've got to do in one single day, and it adds on like weight on our shoulders. And once again, from the sleep into cortisol, stress is going to induct the same thing. But those two coincide. If we can actually increase our hours of sleep, and if we can reduce our stress levels, that can actually help you out tremendously from not getting those gray hairs. And that can actually prevent your gray hairs coming in your early years, like me, because I actually started seeing my gray hairs when I was like 32. Now, number 3 on the list, and I'm a big culprit and I still have troubles trying to stop, and that's sugar. Those refined sugars do so much to your body that you cannot imagine. And a lot of it has to do with your metabolism, and it has to do with your processing of those. And it actually puts a damper onto your skin and your malignant into the follicle of your hair. Now, studies have shown that an increased sugar diet, you actually age a lot faster. And a lot of people that are on caloric deficits and actually stick to grains, meats, and vegetables have a longer life and actually look more youthful. And number 4, smoking. All the 4 S's, all right? Smoking is a increase, and it goes along with the cortisol and the stress. And smoking actually, once again, puts a lot of damage on our lungs, which incorporates stress and incorporates a lot of other things in our health that actually encourages our beards and every hair in our head as well to go gray. Now, we could add on alcohol, but for right now, just this in sense of the 4 S's, if we can stick and eliminate a lot of those things and increase actually sleep, right? We'll decrease a lot of the 3 and then increase, the sleep. Will actually do a lot of good for you as a preventative from your beard and your hair to go gray. Now, with this being a short and swimple, let's talk about solving that solution. Even though if we are in our late 30s, early 40s, and we, had all of a sudden a bombardment of gray hair. Now, we do have hair dye. Now, hair dye is not my favorite thing to use. I have done it before, but one thing I don't like about it is as you apply the dye, it hits your skin and it can rub off. You don't get that multitude of color into your hair, because as our hair has different colors into it, like I said, we have gray as well now, as I am salt and pepper, but each individual hair has a different shade or color in that menigma or malignant, whatever the word is. But what happens is that when you dye your hair and you do it just one color, you kind of get that artificial look. Now, I do work with a company called Volt Life Proof Grooming, and they have a hair coloring system that I enjoy because it is so simple to use, and at the end of the day, I can go ahead and wash it out. So if there are some certain places or things that I want to do that I want to look a little more youthful, this is a quick and simple fix. Now, of course, you can go down the link in the description. This isn't an ad or anything like that, but it's just something that you need to be aware of, because like I said, as we get older, these things are a little bit of a midlife crisis. Like, man, I'm getting older, and this can actually help you out mentally and physically, just getting through your day looking a little more youthful. So this right here, this coloring system that Volt has, it is a mascara applicator, all right? So I know it sounds and looks a little feminine, but we just go ahead and shake it. There's some color in here that we're just gonna go ahead and mix up that color. And when we pull it out, you're gonna have that mascara brush. Now, what I like about this, as I apply it, I just go into circles in different directions and I'm not really pressing in hard. I'm just getting that area of hair and color that needs to match. Now, like for me right here, I have a really, really hard spot of gray, and I put on a little bit this morning, but I wanted to add on just a little bit more, and I just go in circles, and this gives a great blend to your beard. Like I said, when you have that dye, you're putting everything in one color and it doesn't really match the hair, because as you can see too, like my blonde hair has lighter and darker colors into it. And so with the beard, that's why I like this applicator, because you're just brushing it on and you're going over the hair versus hitting the subsurface into the skin, which can actually dye your skin and make that actually look a lot darker than it is. So yeah, if you guys are hitting a midlife crisis and you find yourself, 35, 38 like myself, and you're like, what happened, man? I just sneezed and I have gray hair all of a sudden. Try to eliminate those things, right? Increase the sleep, stop the smoking, stop the stress, stop the sugar intake, or at least bring it down to a minimum, and that's going to help you prevent those gray hairs coming into your beard and your hair. So if you guys do like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!